Hello guys, it's me, Beyblade Master GT, and today we're doing another Beyblade unboxing review. Now here we have Giraffe R145WB defense die. Now let's get this unboxing started. I got them all out. Now here is a Beyblade manual of Giraffe. Here is a Beyblade sticker of Giraffe. And then here is a Beyblade tool, the color of black. Now here is the name of this Beyblade parts unboxing. Here it is. Giraffe, baseball draft. Here is energy ring of Giraffe. Here's fusion wheel of rock. Here's bench track of R145, which is called Rubber 145. Last, here's performance kit of WB, which is called Wide Ball. Time to set up all together. Alright, here's the name of this Beyblade unboxing review is Giraffe R145WB. I hope you guys, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos.